hiking trail part 2. Now, we had 2 trails. One went a different way, one we going this way. So we're assuring a location because this truly, truly, truly reminds me of one of those movies I seen where the trail led to somebody's house. Now, if this trail leads to somebody's house, we're going to turn our butts around. No, we do not want to see animals. Well, we can see a squirrel or a rabbit. But usually, when you don't see rabbits or squirrels, because other animals
they ate them.
Ate them.
There ain't no birds.
No, birds don't hang out. They get eaten too.
Oh, I see there was something. Little bird. I hear some.
Wow.
Oh, if it's a red robin, blow a kiss at it. It's good luck for money.
We need money. What happened?
Yeah, I just started bleeding.
I didn't bring a first aid kit now.
Who got some? Dad, you got some water?
I don't have my water. What do you have in your cup?
Cranberry juice.
Just pour a little bit on it. You might have to pour a little bit on it.
No, you all right. Come on. You tired?
Okay. Remember. No. It's a little dark out here. Okay, the question of the day. Would you come out?
Butterfly. Deadly.
No, I love butterfly. Question of the day. But the question of the day. If you come out and you have a bench in the middle of a trail, would you come and sit?
No.
Well, at night, if you're walking inside.
It's closed at night. They say you're going to be out here till dusk. I'm listening to the rules.
Rule number 1.
When they got the rules up, follow them.
Rule number 1.
Do
not take a hiking trip close to closing time.
Right. The sun's going down, the more ain't around.
This is pretty cool though.
Yeah, this is real peaceful.
This is very peaceful. See, I can hear the wind blowing. We heard one bird. Oh my God, I just thought about that. No restrooms out here. They got plenty of benches. Well, I guess they saying it's nature. Find a tree. Find a tree. We're going to keep walking. Your daddy going to stay back.
Yeah. Kai, you got a potty? Huh?
Kai said, nah. I don't think I'm giving nature any of my stuff.
Well, the boys are covered.
That's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking. The guys are covered. What about us?
Dang, that was quick. Did you see? Yeah. Hey, Kai, slow down, bud. Y'all don't get it from the dad.
Yeah, but we're the end.
Oh, yeah, we are coming up a lake. Oh, we are?
We are coming up on a lake. Can you believe that?
Hey, don't touch nothing.
That's a dirt trail. That's a dirt trail. We're not going to take anything that ain't got concrete to it. Is that funny to you, baby? Yes. We're not taking no side road that has dirt.